Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Alanet Black Sandblasted Matcha Bowl. Traditionally made ochawan or tea bowl in wabi-sabi style used in Japanese tea ceremony. Please note actual matcha bowls appear different as each is unique and handcrafted, but united by this black sandblasted style/technique. Versatile dishware. Elevate your breakfast experience by using this bowl for granola, oatmeal, or other cereals. Equally as wonderful with other dishes such as donburi or rice bowls. Embracing the beauty of subtle differences and imperfections found in handcrafted objects is an integral part of the wabi-sabi aesthetic philosophy of Japan. All our Minoyaki products are artisanally made and thus should not be reproduced in exact detail. As such, actual colors and shape may differ slightly from the product as it appears in product photographs. Complete matcha tea set has everything you need for a great cup of matcha. The kit includes our organic ceremonial 30 grams grade matcha, a whisk and scoop, a stainless steel sifter, a ceramic bowl, and a whisk holder. Matcha is organic and its high quality has a smooth flavor that is enjoyed by many. It is 100% USDA organic, all natural, and has no additives making it naturally gluten-free and vegan. Our second best matcha bowl is Zinner Textured Glass Matcha Bowl. Textured design and smooth cute pouring spout gives an amazing feeling to see your delicious drink/food clearly and pour perfectly. Zinner Textured Glass Bowl was made of 3.3 borosilicate glass which is BPA free, lead free, 100% recyclable and healthy, super easy to clean. Temperature resistant -20 to 150 Cheney degree. Scratch resistant, durable and safe for microwave and dishwasher. Safe purchasing guarantee. Every piece of glass bowl has been inspected strictly before packed into the safe box. We are more than happy to know you're satisfied with your receipt, but if you're not 100% happy with yours for any reason, please tell us, we will get your money refund. Matcha is a great source of minerals, polyphenols, amino acids and antioxidants. This helps boost alertness, and contains mood-boosting and calming ingredients. Matcha tea set is complete with everything you need to make a traditional cup of matcha. Using our organic matcha, we ensure great flavor that's straight from our farms and high-quality tools to help you make your matcha right. Bamboo Matcha Whisk Set with Bowl is a comprehensive kit for Japanese matcha tea ceremony, including a bamboo whisk, bamboo scoop, chashaku, ceramic bowl, chawan, with pouring spout, ceramic whisk holder, ceramic scoop stand, cotton tea cloth, chakin, and matcha powder sifter. Embrace the matcha lifestyle with all the essential accessories in one package. Third pick in our list is Tenagu Japanese Natural Rock Texture Matcha. Natural rock texture on the external surface, unglazed with precision polish treatment, looks nice with a special good hand touch feeling. Show real ceramic touch and appearance, give tea lovers nice and special touching while enjoying tea soup. Plain bottom design, hold comfortable and never scratch your table. The interior has transparent glaze, which is smooth and shiny, easy to clean, and shows real tea soup color, good for telling different tea soup colors. This matcha bowl and whisk holder was placed in a nice color box. It is a nice gift for matcha tea lovers. Or impress your loved one by sharing a kit that allows them to prepare the most naturally beneficial drink in the world. Every piece of bowl and holder has been inspected strictly before packed into the color box one by one. We are more than happy to know you're satisfied with your receipt, but if you're not 100% happy with yours for any reason, please tell us, we will get your money refund. Handcrafted with precision and care, the bamboo whisk features 76 fine tines that ensure optimal agitation, resulting in perfectly frothy and well-blended matcha tea every time. Made from 100% bamboo with a vegetable oil finish, our set is environmentally friendly and free from harmful paints or chemicals, ensuring a pure and safe tea preparation experience. Presented in an elegant color box, this 7-piece set makes for a unique and thoughtful gift for any matcha tea lover, impressing them with a complete and stylish matcha tea ceremony experience. Number 4 on our side is Minyo Ware Japanese Handcrafted Matcha. Porcelain is made by firing a mixture of clay powder made by crushing stones and fired at a temperature over 1,300 degrees. Most porcelain is thin and light, so a light clear metallic sound is made when tapping it. It allows light to pass through it. It is excellent in thermal conductivity, which makes it difficult to warm it up but has a capacity for hardly getting cold. It has a sharp and beautiful design, and most of the tableware for general home uses porcelain. Minyo ware is Japanese traditional pottery, and approximately 60% of the tableware used in Japan is minyo ware. For example, there are exterior garden supplies such as flower pots and water tanks, interior materials such as tiles for walls and floors, and sinks. Because of its quality with the beautiful design and high functionality, minyo ware is popular not only in Japan, but overseas. It supports family life in Japan and is very popular among collectors. Number 5 in our top 5 best matcha bowl list is Punyo Japanese Matcha Bowl. The surface of the Chawan matcha bowl has been smoothed and glazed, which is more glossy and sleek. The glazed surface enhances the aesthetics of the matcha green tea bowl and makes cleaning easier. Rinsing the ceramic matcha bowl with clean water, and stains can be easily removed. Your cleaning work will be much easier. The Japanese tea bowl demonstrates the wabi-sabi sense of design, which represents peace and tranquility. We have 2 different color options for the Chawan matcha tea bowl, brown and blue. Both matcha whisk bowls have characteristic rounded shapes and sleek lines, providing a better grip and higher stability for users. Our traditional matcha tea bowl has a capacity of about 20 ounces / 600 milliliters. It is a great matcha tea tool for you to do the matcha ceremony. Whether holding the Matcha Bowl Japan tea bowl in the hand or placing it on the table, it shows its distinctive design sense. This ceramic matcha bowl will be an excellent gift for Christmas, birthdays, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.